November 19th, air temperature about 50, water temperature's 52, 53. We're fishing a Hoosier streamer today, white streamer. Weighted eyes, deer hair. Had pretty good luck already this morning. Got a 3-weight rod and making long casts, maybe 45 degrees. And have caught the fish today on the dead drift. So I'm giving it some strips and I'm letting the fly pause and the weight's pulling the fly down. Again, keeping the bank to my left side. This is a 3-weight with a type 2 sinking, full sinking line, so it helps in pulling the fly down a little bit. But again, making cast kind of 45 degrees. Allow the fly to get down, sit, sink a little bit. The fish, we've caught a 16 and a 19 thus far, and they're taking it kind of as that fly settles down. Water temperature's down, they're a little sluggish. So it's a good pattern for late in the year, and these white silver patterns, flies show up real well in this clear water. Okay.